What's up, YouTube? So I know I'm not the only one, but tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm not the only one that has had that feeling in them before. You know, like you're working a 9-to-5 job that you hate. You got to get up and go to this place that you don't like, do something that you don't want to do, work for somebody else that you don't like, you know, things like that. Am I the only one that had that feeling, that thought, hey, there has to be more? You know, there's so many people out here in your day-to-day life that you go out to the grocery store and you just like look at them. You can tell that they just have this weight on them, like they're miserable or they hate their life or something. And it's really a sad thing, honestly, because I felt that, and you probably felt that. But then there's that feeling that you feel like, hey, I know there's something more. Like maybe you heard a motivational speaker or a church sermon, or maybe you just woke up one day and was like, I've had it. There has to be something different. There's that spark in you. There's something that you're good at, something that you want to do, and you're creative, and you don't know how to get it out. You don't know how to express it and share it with others. So today I'm here to tell you why starting a YouTube channel is one of the, if not the best and easiest way to do that now. Really quick, you can call me BJ Show. I'm passionate about helping other people start and succeed on YouTube because I've seen the success that can happen from it. I grew my channel from 0 to 500 subscribers in 2 weeks, and then I grew it all the way to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. And then at the end of 90 days, I had 1,600. I had a course, an email list, and I had a big audience that wanted to buy with me. So I was coaching, consulting, selling courses. I made $10,000 in 90 days. I'm here to help you do the same. So just a personal story, you know, I was always afraid to start on YouTube. I procrastinated for years and years and years. And I even had 3 failed YouTube channels. I think 4 actually. One of them I only posted one video. I just gave up. I was like, this is not worth it. But obviously down the road, I found out it was worth it. I was scared to start on YouTube, and I bought all this equipment. I bought all these ring lights, LEDs, all this stuff, a microphone. I bought 4 microphones, wireless microphones. I bought all types of stuff. I had a camera. I bought a camera, and I was still scared to just make the video. And then I came across this video, and who was it? I think it was Sean Cannell from Think Media. And he was just like, you just got to press record, you know, like if there's a roadblock there and it's keeping you from recording the video, then remove the roadblock. So my big roadblock was perfectionism. You know, I just wanted to make the best video, have the best video quality, have my sound the best. This sounded familiar, you know, like if it was me, there's probably you too. If you're kind of procrastinating, there's these little things that's keeping you from doing the video. So now what I did was I just took that 100% at face value. I was like, okay, I'm not going to do any of the ring lights. I'm not going to use my microphone. I'm not going to use my camera. I'm going to use my iPhone, which I'm using right now. And that's what I did. And I posted 5 videos with no thumbnail. 5 videos that were unedited, no thumbnail, no special audio, no ring lights. I'm telling you guys, this is awesome. And in YouTube, you know, like you see the videos that say YouTube is on easy mode. Well, YouTube pushed those videos out. And I think there's something going on right now where YouTube is helping the small creators to get started and grow. So it's not just me. It wasn't just something special that I did. I just started. That's the thing. So just start. You know, YouTube is a really good creative outlet. It's a good way to express yourself creatively. And really, that's one of the key messages. It's not just about getting views, getting subscribers, even though that feels good. It feels like you're doing something. But if you're not converting that into cash or into purpose, then it really doesn't mean it. It's just like vanity metrics. So a big deal is just expressing yourself creatively and inspiring others. That's what I really like about it too. And there's really a great power in taking that first step. And one of the first things we got to talk about with that first step is your mindset shift. See, when I decided I wasn't going to use any of my fancy equipment, I had to make a mindset shift that said, hey, you know what? I'm going to let this perfectionist stuff go just so I can get started. I had to shift my mindset. So, you know, one of the things that you have to shift if you're kind of leaning towards this influencer famous type thing You got to get that out of your mindset too. That's going to hold you back. If you're only doing this because you want to be like influencer, YouTube famous. I know there's a lot of people that do it. You can do it. You know, it can work. I'm not saying it can't work. You can do it. But a lot of people that just have that as their reason, they're going to fail. You know, like the perfect time thing. Like I said, there's no perfect time unless it's now. So if you have this vision in the future, like, hey, I'm going to wait till I have the perfect microphone, the perfect lights, perfect sound, whatever, perfect camera, and then I'm going to start. You're probably never going to start. So there's no perfect time. Start now, and then have a reason attached to it. Why do you want to start? Why do you truly want to start YouTube? So instead of just dreaming about it, too, also, you could just take small actionable steps. So say you just made one video today. Say you don't even upload it. You just make the video and then you upload it into like iMovie or some type of editing software. And then you just mess with it a little bit and just learn how to edit little by little. So now you want to do some actionable tactics too. All right. So you don't want to just sit around and dream and daydream and whatever. You want to set a clear goal. I'd outline a clear vision on what you would want your channel to be about. You know, how are you going to be helping others? How are you going to be inspiring? Like, what are you going to talk about? And then you want to kind of plan your content out. So you can make videos the day of, like day by day. But if you plan your content out and then like batch create, record a bunch of videos or something, that could help you in the long run with consistency. But to plan your content out, I really encourage you to brainstorm some ideas, and preferably those ideas should be based around your skill set, something that you like. And then you just want to start creating. Look, I just want to reassure you that perfection is not required to begin. Okay, so like as you get better, you're going to get better equipment, better sound, better cameras, better lights, and then you're going to get better at talking on camera and just communicating. But in the beginning, the important thing is just starting. All right, having the best everything in the beginning is not important. If you can, then great, do it. But if you can't, then that's great too. You just start. Now, of course, you know, one of the cool things is that YouTube has a whole lot of benefits. So one of the benefits is monetization. All right, so you can get monetized by YouTube, and if you get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, then you could be, you know, eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, I believe they call it. And what that is you get paid a percentage of ads. You know, so like a company does ads on your video, then I think you get some type of money for having that ad on your video. So that's cool, right? And then you can get like, well, that's through YouTube. Now, here's the other thing. You can get monetized by yourself. Like, you know, you can monetize your channel on your own. So that's like creating courses, coaching programs, other digital products, things like that. That is where I made $10,000. I made $10,000 before being monetized with YouTube. All right. And that's really the way that you're going to make the most money, to be honest. Other things is brand deals and, you know, sponsors and things like that. And then you could sell products through your YouTube channel, affiliate marketing. There's all types of different ways to make money through YouTube. And if you want to know any more about those things, then just comment below and I can make a video on them in the future. All right, so if you've been on the fence about starting YouTube, don't let fear or doubt hold you back. If you've made it this far, I'm going to give you one simple step, okay? It's one assignment. And then I want you to come back here and comment below once you've done it. I want you to write down one idea or a passion project that you can share on YouTube. And then I want you to commit to recording one video. You don't have to post it, just record one video. And then once you do it, just come back and then comment below, hey, I did it, or just tell me what your niche was or whatever it is that you're going to start recording. And always remember, the best decision you'll ever make is to start now. Your future self will thank you for this. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you at the coffee shop. Bye.